My name is Ayana Dladla. I'm a senior associate in the competition law department. But today I'm going to be talking to you about the Consumer Protection Act. You probably know about it, you've read about it, you've heard about it, and if you've attended any of our seminars, you know a little bit more about it than if you haven't. So what is this act about? Well, it applies to every transaction occurring within South Africa. Not only that, it also applies to the promotion of goods and services in South Africa. It's going to have a huge impact on you as a consumer and as a supplier. As a consumer, it's going to provide various rights to you, some of the rights which you have already, some rights that you don't have already. So best familiarize yourself with the contents of the Act. As a supplier, various onerous obligations are going to be placed on you. You're going to have to think about your standard terms and conditions of contract. You're going to have to look at those quite closely. You're going to have to look at the way in which you market goods and services. This means that you're going to have to train some of your staff. You're going to have to teach and train people to understand what they can and can't say to consumers. In general, just your whole interaction with consumers is going to have to change. It just places a whole lot of obligations on you which you need to know about. So when does this Act come into being? Most of the key provisions are going to come into being in October 2010. So you do have a little bit of time in terms of preparing yourself, but probably not that much because there might be regulations that come in very early in the year. So, again, best be prepared. That is the Consumer Protection Act. Very exciting, very new. Very new piece of legislation, very onerous. A good thing if you're wearing your hat as a consumer though. Thanks.